What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. If you guys can already guess, we are where Ariana is stored. She's right here. Last time you saw this car, we put the hood and trunk on. Now that the hood and trunk are back from the paint shop, they're on the car and they're already cleared. We got the rest of the carbon fiber that we removed earlier, and it is all there. So we have the intake manifold covered, the radiator cooling plate, and a couple other stuff that went in for clearing. If you guys can see, the carbon fiber is, first of all, before it was like a dry carpet, now it's really, really glossy. We're gonna go ahead and install it on Ariana, and it's gonna match the carbon fiber hood and trunk. So it's gonna be super, super clean. Alright, so right now the engine bay is looking super, super bare. It's also really dirty, which we're gonna have to clean because there is a show that you guys are gonna see later in this video. But we're gonna be installing the rest of the carbon fiber for now. Hopefully we'll be able to get it all done and ready for the show and cleaned up and stuff like that. This is actually perfect. Use my keychain thing. Use the light there. Perfect. Oh, I see it already looks so much better. Sweet. Oh, and we also, so my dad painted this while I was at work because it seems like I have to paint this every season. We put a matte finish since it was the only paint that we had. See if I can shine it up to make it kind of satin, but we'll see. If not, it looks a lot better than before. Alright, so we have the 4 bolts on top of like the spark plug cover, I guess, or whatever. And I don't know about you guys, but in regards to like when I'm putting on these dress-up bolts, I always try to have them like right side up, I guess. I don't know how to call it. Maybe I'm just being super, super picky, but that's just the way I like it.
Alright, this one goes up. Yes. So much better.
This really does a huge difference. It looks so good. Alright, so for this last piece, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but now that we have it and we put it on, it actually is a huge, huge difference. Oh wait, I have to remove the intercooler pipe, I forgot. Now that we have all the old carbon fiber back, this is how Ariana used to look like. There was always 2 pieces missing, and those were these 2 pieces. We got these off the old reliable eBay. There's a little thing in the middle. But this one should just pop right on. I forgot about that. This one. There you go. Oh, there. See, this one fits actually pretty good. This is just like basically a lid for the fuse box. We could look carbon fiber to match this. There is one little piece inside there. That's probably from like the casting, yeah.
Holy smokes, it's hard.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Okay, flip it around. Did it affect the carbon?
No.
Okay, we're good. Maybe we should just put some 3M tape on top just to secure it, but more or less that's how it looks like. The 2 carbon pieces and all of this. These ones aren't cleared yet. They're still new, so we might be able to do that at home. Yeah, all the carbon is in under the hood now, and it looks all good, all show ready, and I actually really like the way it looks. It actually looks a lot better with it being shiny as opposed to like a satin or matte look. It looks like, I don't know, dude. That just looks sick. Alright, so now that all the carbon fiber is in the engine bay, last time you guys saw us put the trunk on, there was a lot of loose wires for the taillights and stuff like that. But now we got basically Velcro. It's rated for 10 pounds. I don't really know if I believe that. I've never seen how strong Velcro can actually be. But we put back the old, I don't know what to call it, the backing, I guess, of the trunk. Makes it look a lot cleaner, a lot better. I'm thinking about just kind of spraying this black or something like that. But it does look a lot better the way it is, and kind of matches the trunk and looks just OEM and clean.
Hey guys, I'm taking over the vlog today for Mikey. We are at the Waverly Meet and Greet.
Alright guys, so we are in Ariana right now, and lately I've been driving the Z a lot, and now that I'm back in the EVO, honestly it just feels like home. I know this car so well already. I've been driving it for like 2-3 years. I just know when to rev match and what RPMs to shift at and stuff like that. It just makes sense for me. I'm still kind of getting used to the Z, because comparing the Z and the EVO are two completely different cars. One likes to kick out, the other one it just likes to go fast and drift. So driving the EVO again is always a lot of fun, especially with all the sounds it makes. This car just makes all the right sounds. It'll flutter at low RPM and it'll have that super high pitch. At higher RPMs, it's just good. I just love driving this car and I missed it so much. Also, we were supposed to, and I miss it so much. Also, I was supposed to go to a car show. Ariana was there, but I unfortunately wasn't. I helped my dad drop off the car there, and he is behind me in his Civic. I don't think you can see it though. My car was at the show. Unfortunately, I wasn't there. And by the time I got off work and went to the show, they already did awarding and stuff like that. I didn't think I was gonna win anything, but Ariana won Best EVO, so that's fucking awesome. Didn't think I was gonna win anything, but it's good knowing that I know people think my car looks good, or the judges think the car looks good, so I really appreciate that, and that's freaking awesome. Alright guys, so we are at Unrestricted Empire. There are actually quite a lot of cars, and this group actually keeps switching spots, which is actually really cool. Pretty cool Mark III Supra, I think? GC8 WRX, I think? Is this WRX? No, it's a 2.5 RS. Kevin's car looks super minty. He painted his intercooler pipes and I don't even, what is this thing called?
I'm just kidding. It's alternator cover.
Okay, but it looks really clean and it goes really well with his white wheels. As you guys saw earlier, I got the carbon back, but his car is actually looking really good. Good job, Kev.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I like everything about it. It looks so cool.
150.
No, that's like the Fast and Furious one. Like that's the one that they use, not the small ones that Dom had in the first movie. And the stop is just like right in the middle. That looks so cool.
And it's like cold too.
Yeah, right? The box is like cylinder. That looks so cool. This S2K actually looks so sick, and it's right-hand drive too. I don't know if he imported it this way, but it looks crazy. Radium wheels, right-hand drive. It looks so track car. I love it. I even think this bumper and hood is from Japan. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it looks insane. Damn, Ariana attracting a crowd? Damn.
Guys, let the police handle that. Go. Now.
Trumpet gang down, boys. Trumpet gang down. Alright, so as you guys could tell, it is a couple days later. As you can see, I got my haircut. I'm out here with the Z. So I wanted to update you guys and tell you guys what you guys are gonna see in the future on the channel. Obviously, I got the Z for not only working on it and learning more about cars, but also seat time. I want to use this car for drifting and stuff like that. I've been sliding, but it's just really hard for me to film because when you're drifting, everything inside the car is like moving back and forth. Obviously, I can't do that one-handed and vlog while I'm drifting. So I'm gonna try and arrange a time with the rest of the guys so maybe they can get some outside shots and I can mount this camera or get the GoPro and mount it inside or something like that. In Canada, it is really hard to drift because we don't have skid pads, we don't have have a place where we can actually do it. It's basically all street drifting. So that is the sketchy part with drifting here in Canada. Again, I'm gonna try and show you guys basically my whole learning progress with drifting, and it's all gonna be with this car. And for sure in the next video I'm gonna try my best to show you guys and stuff like that, because right now I'm kind of working on transitioning. I can kind of hold a drift, but a lot of the guys that I was talking to, they did tell me that the stock LSD on the 350s is like a viscous LED or a VLSD or something like that. I'm not too sure, but it kind of makes the car more unpredictable when sliding, especially in transitioning. Again, I have no idea. I'm just gonna learn and try my best on it. I have been watching a lot of videos with guys who have basically stock Zs like myself, like Adam LZ. I don't think he changed his diff, and I doubt that he shimmed it or welded it or whatever. Since it is already an LSD, I shouldn't need to do anything like that. I did like clear it a couple times, but in a big space like this, yeah, I'm just gonna need more seat time. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.